Dance, dance. You can't help it. He's even looking backwards and everything. Shake your booty.
Shane. Shane.
Don't teach him how to dance like that. Dance. Dance, dance. Well, if it would stop changing the song, huh? Dance. Whoa, whoa. He's like, oh, what am I dancing to? Hold on, son. I'm sorry. I don't know why it stopped. There we go. Dance. Tell Dad to turn that crap off. Dance. Shane. Wiggle your booty. Justin. Wiggle your booty with Shane. Hey. Dance. Kitty. Dance. Dance, Shane, dance. He's like, nope, time to play with toys. Yoo-hoo. He's done. Are you gonna dance? Why not?
I don't dance.
Yes, you do. Get up and do the white boy moves that you know. Come on, Justin. Come on. Just one dance move, please. Please. I'll give you a kiss. Come on, please. Justin. I'll give you a kiss. Rude. Justin. Justin. Come on. I already got you doing that one like you were trying to show Shane. I already got that one. Do the sprinkler.